shut it down.
Why do I hate Jennie Kim of Blackpink?
Do you know why I hate her? She became a K-pop idol. It's the biggest fault she ever done in her life. She chose YG Entertainment instead of other good companies who never spoil their idols for their own profit and who really respect their idols. She forgot that she should only date the person others want her to date. She forgot that she's an idol and started to find her love like any other girl in her age. She was always close to Jisoo when others wanted her to be close with Lisa. She didn't realize that she don't have any control over her own life. She's been lazy and she didn't knew that she was the only one that everyone is watching even when she's in back. She showed her bitch cold face to people when South Korea needed her to act cute and innocent like other female idols. Bitch cold faced bitch. Even though I hate her so much, I still have some reasons to love her. I'm really worried that I don't want Jennie to be the next Sully. When male idols don't smile, they are called attractive. When female idols don't smile, they are called bad words and criticized for being cold. Aww.